I'm a savage, yeah. Classy, bougie, ratchet, yeah. Sassy, moody, nasty, yeah. Acting stupid, what's happening, bitch? What's happening, bitch? I'm a savage.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a turmeric mask because my mom has been doing it, and I was on FaceTime with her the other night and I seen how her skin looked when she took the mask off. It was just very glowy. It looked beautiful. So I'm gonna try it. Today I went to Kroger and bought the supplies. So I got the ground turmeric, and I got the raw and unfiltered honey, and then I have lemon juice, and then I bought these little bowls to mix it in. And then I'm gonna use these sponges, the makeup sponges, to put the paste on my face, because right now I don't have another brush or any brushes, so I'm just going to use what I have, but it'll get the job done. So apparently with this method you are supposed to leave it on for 30 minutes because it can stain your face. So I'm going to leave it on for 30 minutes. I have problem areas on my face, so this looks disgusting right now, but this is what I want to control. This hyperpigmentation. I just want an even skin tone. I'm trying to get my skin to be all one color, get rid of this hyperpigmentation. So I'm gonna try a turmeric mask along with my regular skincare routine, which is just I use a charcoal cleanser. I use toner every night, and then I use the Clinique hydrating gel. So along with that, I'm gonna go ahead and try this out. So you guys see my face right now, and let's see if you see that there's a glow or anything once I apply and take this mask off in 30 minutes. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I finally have a YouTube intro, so I hope you guys liked it when you started watching my channel, because I did. It should be, there. And other than that, just stay tuned. All right, so here's what we are going to be mixing up today. Turmeric, ground turmeric, got this from Kroger. Raw and unfiltered honey, got this from Kroger as well. Some real lemon juice, got that from Kroger, and then I just already had these. I am going to mix it up with this plastic knife because that's all I have right now. And then I bought these from Kroger as well, these little Tupperware things, but I'm going to use it for the mask, of course. And I'm going to mix everything up in this, so you guys stay tuned and just see what happens. So we are going to do 1 tablespoon of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of honey, and then a couple of drops of lemon juice. I'm going to pour a tablespoon of turmeric onto here. As a matter of fact, I'm just going to open the top and take it out and dump it. So I'm sure that's enough. So boom, tablespoon. All right, so I'm gonna do a tablespoon of honey. All right, and then we're going to do a couple of drops of lemon juice. So I'm gonna add a couple drops of lemon juice in here, just a little. All right, so we're just gonna mix this baby up, and I'm creating a paste. So I'm just creating a paste. It's very liquidy right now. I think I need it to be a bit thicker than this though. Yeah, I think I need it to be a bit thicker. So I'm gonna add a little bit more turmeric in here. I'm gonna add some more turmeric because I want to thicken this up. I want to make this a thick paste. So. All right, so I have kind of a thick paste right now. All right, so I have the paste ready to go. As you can see, it's not a lot, so you don't have too much left over, but it's thick enough, I think. I don't want to be too thick, but it has a pretty thick consistency. So, like I said, I don't have a brush at this time, so I'm going to use a sponge. Put this right here. So I'm gonna use one of these makeup sponges, excuse the nails, and I'm going to put it all over my face. So moving my hair out the way, and boom. Ooh. All right, so I'm just going to start applying this. Ooh, and it stinks. So this is day one. So this is my first day. I'm gonna come back with another video and give you guys an update on how this works. I'm gonna try to do it every day this weekend till Tuesday. I want to do an update on Tuesday, kind of let you know where I'm at and how my face is feeling. So thick, oh my god. All right, so they said thick consistency. I got a thick consistency. I'm done with this. So like I said, I have to give it 30 minutes to penetrate, take it off my skin. I was advised not to leave it on longer than 30 minutes because it will start to stain your skin. So I'm gonna leave it on 30 minutes and then I'll come back and hopefully, you know, we have a surprise and I'm glowing and something happens. But I know, you know, things just don't happen. Everything is not gonna change, and this one is my first try. But if I like how my skin has reacted to this after this first try in 30 minutes, I'm gonna continue to do it and I'll upload videos. Once I get to like the 5th day, I'll upload a final video. But okay, stay tuned. I'll be back in 30 minutes. And I don't know, continue to practice social distancing while we are dealing with the coronavirus. Stay safe, wash your hands, and your girl will be right back. All right, and we are back. It's been approximately 35 minutes because I got caught up doing something else. So now I'm going to turn on some warm water and wet this, and then I'm gonna just wipe it off my face. Then after that, I'm gonna take a little bit of baking soda in my hand, mix that with water, and I'm going to use it as an exfoliant to kind of pull any staining that this is about to do to me. So guys, stay tuned. I'm scared, but it should be all right. All right, so I got me a warm rag and I'm about to just wait, dry it off a little bit. All right, so I got a warm rag and I'm just about to take this off. Ooh. This don't feel like an exfoliant. Yeah. All right, so I finally got this stuff off of my face, y'all. I do feel like, you know, my skin just feels a little bit, I have a bit of a glow, but I don't know if you guys can tell on camera. It stained my face a bit. But what I'm gonna do is take some baking soda in my hand and mix it up with water, and I'm gonna use it as an exfoliant to try to get that staining out of my face. But I mean, it's the first day. I feel like I see a little bit of a difference. My skin looks like a tad bit lighter and glowier. So I'm gonna keep trying this out and see how I like it. So yeah, so this is the baking soda, and I'm just making the paste out of it with water. And then I'm gonna use it on my face as an exfoliant. So I can get that staining out. But this is day one, and I just wanted to show you guys how I make it. And then the next time you watch my video, you'll know how I made the mask and what improvements came from the mask by Tuesday. So Tuesday, we'll do an update. Show you what's happening. Okay. So the baking soda definitely helped with the staining. It got it out. It got some of it out. Oh. Okay, so using the baking soda after this helped with getting some of that staining out, because now, you know, I hope it's not as stained. And I don't know how good this shows up on camera, but I mean, I feel like it did lighten this side up a bit, because I have bad hyperpigmentation right here. So I feel like I see a difference. But we are going to stay tuned for the video that I'm going to post on Tuesday, because I'm going to do it every day from now to Tuesday. Today is Friday, March 20th. And I am going to come back and show my results on March 24th. So I want to see what it would do Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So that'll be the 5th day. So I'm really going to be doing like 4 days. I'm going to do it on March 5th, but I meant March 24th too. But I won't count that as like, well, I can. We'll see. We'll see what happens on 5 days. But guys, I hope that can you kind of see, my skin looks shinier though. Like I just went and had a facial. Ooh, look at my nose. Like my skin feels like I just had a facial. So I like this. I like how it's coming out. Like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if there's something else I can add into the mixture when I do it the next time, or if you've done this and what your experience was. So let me know. Like, comment, subscribe, and let's go on this journey to clear skin.